Hello students, today we are going to learn what is the domain and what is the range of the function. Domain and the range are by far the most important concepts in the functions. There is very high likelihood that you would see question based on them. Okay, so what is the domain? The domain is the set of all possible values that function can take, and the range is the set of all possible values that functions can give. Domain is the all values that goes into the function, and the range is the all values that comes out. Let us suppose if we have y is equals to x square. This is our function. Then the domain of this function is all x, and the range is the y greater than 0. Okay, so why we have written y greater than 0? Because any number, either it is positive or the negative, its square is always positive. Like if we have minus 2, which is the negative number. But on if we do squaring on this number, we will get 4, which is the positive number. So here we have written the values which comes out after putting the value of x in the x square are y greater than 0. Means we are talking about the all positive values. Okay, so next we have the question f of x is equals to 1 upon x minus 2. Then what would be the domain? Okay, so here we have two constraints. Okay, one of them is the denominator of the function must not be equal to 0. If it should be a non-zero. Okay, so here we have restriction. Then what would be the domain? We can put any value here in the place of x, but not 2. If we put 2 here, then it comes to be 1 upon 0, which is undefined. So the function becomes the undefined. So here what we write in the domain, we write all values, all x except 2. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now we have the function f of x is equals to under root of x minus 3. So here, as you know, we can't have a negative number in the square root. Okay, so here we can say x minus 3 should be greater than 0, because we can't have the negative number in the square root. So we are writing that x minus 3 should be a positive number, means it should be greater than 0. So here we can write like that x should be greater than 3. Okay, so this is the domain of the function, that x should be greater than 3. What if we put negative x less than 3 or a negative number? If we put x less than 3 like 1, then it comes to be a negative number. So in square root we can't have negative number. So that's why we are writing that x should be greater than 3. So the values comes to be positive, like greater than 3, 4, then it comes to be 1. Okay, I hope so it's clear. Bye bye, next meet you in the next class.